How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your arms, step-by-step workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise we are going to do, you guys, is going to be twists. So just like this. $75. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is squeezes. So get your hands like this and squeeze super, super tight. Hold for 30 seconds. This is an amazing exercise for veiny arms. Keep squeezing, keep going. 20 more seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do arm circles. So just like this. $50. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do twists. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.